everyone. This is Poonam. Welcome to Ratnasri Yoga. Today we are going to learn how to perform child posture or balasana in correct way. There are several ways to perform child posture or balasana. Kneel on the floor with your toes together. Rest your palm on the top of your thighs. Slowly on your exhale, lower your torso between your knees. Extend your arms alongside your torso with your palm facing down. Relax your head on the earth. Relax your shoulders. Rest in this pose for as long as needed. Child's pose is yoga's most important resting posture, and it is a nice way to gently stretch various parts of your body. But if you are not very comfortable in this posture, maybe you can bring a bit variation. Open your knees as wide as you can and then relax by bringing your forehead on the floor. There is an energy point at the center of the forehead in between the eyebrows that stimulates the vagus nerves and supports a rest and digest response. Finding a comfortable place for the forehead is key to gaining this soothing benefit. There are several possible variations. You can stretch your arms in front of you with palm towards the floor, or bring your arms back alongside your thighs with the palm facing upwards. These are the most common variations. Do whichever feel more comfortable for you. If you have been doing a lot of shoulder work, this option you might feel more relaxing. Your neck should stay in neutral position. If you find you are bending your neck, use pillow, yoga block or another prop to keep pressure off your neck. Or place a bolster or pillow under your stomach or chest and assume the pose as long as you want. Avoid child pose if you have knee injury. If you are pregnant, spread your legs wider and don't press your stomach onto your thighs. If you have shoulder injury or any kind of pain in your shoulders, bringing your elbows on the ground in front of your knees so you are not having unnecessary pressure on your shoulders. Relax with your forehead hanging downwards towards the earth. Let the gravity working with your head. To add more comfort during child posture, you can bring a pillow or cushion under your feet before you are surrendering yourself towards the earth. It lengthens and stretches the spine deeply, flexes the body's internal organs and keeps them supple, helps alleviate stress and anxiety, leaving you with peaceful and relaxed mind and body. You can hold this posture anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes. Beginners can also use balasana or child posture to get a taste of a deep forward bend. Child's pose is relaxing because by opening your hips and elongating your back, it relieves the tension caused by daily movements. By allowing your breath deeply, clean oxygen circulates your body, restoring your energy. It also increases blood circulation, making your body perform better. You can also stacking your palm on the top of each other, bringing your head aside and relax. This is another variation of Balasana. Child posture is very easy way to rejuvenate or revitalize your mind and body during any exercise program or yoga session. It is also very effective for anger management. You can also place your forehead directly on the top of cushion or pillow. Relax your arms whichever way you feel comfortable. Child pose is also beneficial for hypertension patients. It can give you relief from different factors which contribute to high blood pressure. Deep breathing during child pose works by calming your sympathetic nervous system and increasing blood flow to your tissues, particularly to your heart, as your diaphragm moves up and down. You can relax in this pose as long as you want and enjoy the after effect of Balasana or child pose. It gives you very soothing effect, relaxed mind and relaxed body. It is a therapeutic posture for relieving stress. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get more updates. Namaste.